Welcome back to my channel. Hi friends, today I have a white Westing one washing machine. It is commercial type. Actually we went to the customer house. According to the customer telling this machine is not working at all, totally dead, because while we asking from the customer telling it is uh, switching on at the same time. Within few minutes it came like a smoke here from the control board area. Because of that he got afraid, and he called us. We went to the customer house, we collect the, he never given a chance to us to check the machine at his home. Because of that we brought to the workshop. Now we are going to check what was the problem. Might main board maybe chance to burn or something, but anyway, let me check what was the problem, because we have to remove the back side. After that only we can decide, we can find the problem. Let me check, and I will show you how to remove that one and everything step by step. Okay, we have to remove the back here screws. After that only we can check. Now after that we have to remove these three knobs. This is extra button, extra options button, and selector switch. This is temperature button. Now we have to lever any side from here to up, and after that it will come smoothly, but careful we have to do that, because it will get damaged otherwise. Now we can remove very slowly. Yes. Now customer telling it something burn. This is the first time I'm thinking this machine removing, because nobody touched before. We will remove this one also. This temperature switch and selector switch look like no any issue. Look like no any issue with the display part. Display PCB it is okay, but we didn't remove still, and we can see the we have to remove the top cover. After that only we can remove. Because of that now we have to remove everything. First front panel, after that top cover, because the here front side having two screws. Now we will remove the front panel. Now we release here back side two screws from the lock, but here also two screws with the body. Because of that what we can do, we have to remove the front panel After that only we can remove the 2 screws from here. We have to remove these 2 screws. After that the front panel will come, front cover will come down. After that only we can remove the top cover, and let's see. These 2 screws we have to remove. It's very easy, but little bit we have to lay down the machine, otherwise little bit difficult to remove these 2 screws. Now here 2 screws. After that only we can remove the front top cover. We have to remove this 2 screw here. One screw here, one other one is there. Now we have to disconnect the door switch. This is look like gear assemble gone because the water came already down, but that's not the complaint. This machine not working totally dead. Because of that we have to check. This is main board, also control modular. Now we are going to disconnect the door switch. We didn't remove the door switch because its connectors are very hard. Because of that we remove the power from the power control. Now we can move this one like that. But anyway, here also power supply also no any issue. Because of that we have to check the main control board, the front side. Now we will remove the control board and we will check. If it is my dear, it is customer telling it's happening like that, it's burning something. Because of that we never check with the power. We have to clear the picture. After that only I'm requesting, don't put power supply to the any machine. We have to clear 100% all the modulars, all the control box, everything it's okay. After that we can give power connection without any problem. Suspect we are not doing any job. I am not doing normally. After clear the picture only I am doing all the things. I am giving power supply. Because it's chance to burn any other items also. Because of that I didn't give the power. Now I am going to remove the main control board. The main control board having here 1 screw, here 2 screws, After that, very easy to it will come out. Now we have to remove the connectors. It's very difficult to remove it, so all the connectors are very tight. We have to do a extra pose to remove the connectors. Yes, we have that much very strong connectors, no lock system. Mainboard also no any issue. Look like no any problem. We will check other side also. No any problem with the board. Control board is okay, no any shortage, burning marks, nothing. Look like it is okay, but I'm suspecting the already water came downside from the gear assemble. You already marks it there, water came down. Sometime customer afraid maybe water leak somewhere went to, maybe water went to the motor control motor side, and at that time something happened. But anyway, let's see after connecting all everything we can check machine is working or not. Now our doubt is clear, no any harm, no any defecting things found from the main control board. Now we are going to refix. Now we fix everything temporary. We will give the power connection and we will check what will happen. Yes, no any shortage. Display is already working. No any problem. We can start the machine now. We will check rings and spin. Yes, door already locked. Motor also running, but it is clear it's leaking from the seal. Gear already gone. If we are going to replace the gear assemble, we have to check with the customer. Before do the work, we have to take approval from the customer. After that only we are going to replace the gear. Yes, it's making huge noise. This is the problem customer told us. Yes, motor also some that side water gone, that's why it's customer telling burning smell. It's already water gone the motor area, but motor no any problem. Now we have to change the gear assemble and bearing everything. I think it's already gone.